rain, at least I haven't, and I need to talk more about it because this is an area we have seen so much flooding over the last couple of weeks. You're going to add another 5 to 10 inches of rain, and the areas that are notorious for flooding, and we all know those areas in the Bay Area, forget the surge, they're already going to flood just because of that.
Live in Auburndale. Get my bow. Woohoo! Ah! Got him now. Take a picture.
I did.
Come up here.
Yeah.
Hurricane Irma.
Getting outside right now.
Really?
And you can see, just looking at the picture, there is an ankle deep water.